Tell me, have you been searching online on YouTube different ways to make money with Google by simple copy and paste? So I tell you, you must watch this video before you end up losing your time and your money, possibly. So my name is Seal, and here you are in Tremendous Generation, a channel where we talk about how to unleash the power in you and how to win the money game. So here we are. I'm going to share with you a very quick and honest review about this method of making money online with copy and paste, and I'm going to let you decide for yourself if this method can work for you or cannot. So I'm going to share my screen again, and let's start the presentation. Bam. Okay. So here we are. So copy and paste to earn money using Google. Is it really possible? Is it something which can work for you? We're going to discover it all today. So first of all, I just want to say, as you can see in this video, you will learn, I'm going to talk about what this method is. Yeah. How does it work and who is it for? What I personally like about it, what I don't, and I'm going to give you my conclusion and the rating I will give for this method. So first of all, what is it? This method, in fact, you will watch in many YouTube videos, but we're going to tell you this thing at the end of the video. But I choose to tell you right now so you may be aware if you want to keep on with this method, if you think that it may work for you. So what is the method? The thing is, you will be writing, or you will be required to write articles for different websites, and then when you get approved, when your articles get approved, you will get paid. So that is about what is it. Next thing that you must know, say, how does it work? So in those videos, I'm telling you because I've watched it, and I'm just giving you my opinion on this method of making money online. So in this method, you will need to go on different websites such as Quora, which is a website where a lot of people ask different questions, and also many different articles in type of answers are posted over there. So you also will need to go to Article Factory, which is a website which allows you to just copy other people's work and use it for yourself or use it to get paid. So with these two websites, you will go there, you will find those articles, find those answers, and you will rephrase it, reformulate it with your own words. And then once you're done, you will be posting it to these other two websites, which are List, Reverse, and Money Pantry. I will let you go and check those websites for yourself. In fact, those websites are just type of making money website where you get hired to do a certain task, and once you completed the task, you will get paid. So Money Pantry and List, Reverse, those websites have many different type of jobs, but here we're just talking about the writing jobs because I saw a lot of YouTube video on this subject, and I just want to make a quick review on that. So this is how it works. You find a subject, you reformulate what you found, and you post your article on those websites and wait. If and only if you get approved, then you will get paid. So next thing is to understand, who is it for? So of course, when you watch this video, you see we have 10,000 views. You are more than 50,000 views, sometimes 100,000 views. So the question we really need to know before you start to moving forward on watching those videos or try to apply what you're gonna learn, who is it for? First of all, I want to say it's for those who have a lot of time. Do you think that right now you have some extra time or a lot of time to spend online writing, researching different website or article or for website, if it's okay for you, now you can decide to move forward. The other ones who are concerned with this one is those who want to make extra money online. Of course, I know. Everyone want to make this type of money online. I am the first, guys, believe me. So yeah, if you believe, if you think that you want to make some extra money online and you have more time or enough time, you can decide to move forward. So the last thing, which for me is the most important, is for those who like to write. Man, if you don't like to write, of course, let me tell you one thing. In these videos, we're going to tell you you can use Google Voice to narrate your text. Yeah, I don't know if it kind of work, but I will let you decide. But for me, the main thing is that is most likely for those who like to write. If you don't like writing, guys, it may not work for you. Now, I'm not talking about the paycheck or what you're gonna get, because in those websites, I didn't talk about that. But some website, for example, requires you, we pay you 10 cents for every words. Although we pay you $5 for every page, $3 for every page. So you know, you also see the different pricing or the different payments you will get for the service you will be doing. So this thing is also important, and it's up to you to really, really consider it. So yeah, this is how it works. And the next thing that I want to share with you is what I really like about this method of making money online. The first thing is just that because it's completely free. So you can decide it after what I've just talked in the previous slides. You can decide, okay, that's for me. I'm moving forward. And guess what? It's completely free. So you don't have anything to spend. All right, so what is the next thing I personally like about it is that you can make, of course, an extra income if you're willing to put the time and the work inside. So what I don't like, this part is really, really interesting, and you don't want to miss it. I think you really don't want to miss it. First thing, the things I don't like, the first one is you are trading your time for less money. As I've just told you, some of those websites will pay you only, let's say only 10 cents for every word. So you must write about 300, 300, a lot of words in order for you to make a really good money with this method. So for me, it's a bad deal. It's a really, really bad deal. So the next thing is that you depend, or the income that you're gonna make completely depends on the website, because you really need to get approved. So let's say you just spend 1-2 hours of work on those articles, and at the end of the day you are not approved. Boy, what a waste of your time. So this is the second thing I really don't like about this method of making money online. The last thing is that you don't learn a real skill to make more money online. Why am I saying this? Because you know, with different methods of making money online, some of those allows you to learn different kind of skills, like marketing skills, like copywriting skills, like sales skills, like presenting skills. I don't know what different skills. For example, what I'm doing here is from one of it's from a make money online method called affiliate marketing that I've been learning this one. So for me, it's not just about getting paid after I've done a certain service, but also getting some extra skills that will allow you to make more money in the future. So yeah, for this reason, I really, really don't like this method. So to end this video, I'm gonna give you my conclusion and my rating. So for me, I think that it's quite good. It's quite good, but very much better than this. And so for me, I just say, unless you have a lot of time to spend, it may work, but I don't disapprove this method, but I just say it's not good enough. That's why I just give to it 3 stars. So guys, this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you learned something, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And I tell you, bye-bye. See you later. Remember, my name is Seal, and here you are in Tremendous Generation. I say, take care.